Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope that all you are well at your home. So today we will take another class, important class for your English first paper, and that is from your textbook, and that will be Scene Comprehension 3. I know that you have already done 2 comprehension with your other teachers. One is Ria Islam, another is Mahbub Alam. So that is another third, and that is about discussion, conversation. Okay, so what have we written here? Read the conversation carefully. Okay, so today we will read this conversation and make questions and try to understand the answer of that questions. Okay, so what are they? First of all, here we can see a conversation between 3 students. So who is first? Mashuk. Hello Kia, I am Mashuk. Where are you from? Okay, so Kia, I am from Khulna. And you? So Mashuk, as an old student, okay, try to being introduced with a new student, and he is asking, so hello Kia, I am Mashuk. Where are you from? Kia says that I am from Khulna. And you? Mashuk, I am from Sylhet, and so is Ria. Okay, that means Ria is also from Sylhet. So Ria, where do you live? Ria is asking now, not Mashuk. Ria is asking. Kia is answering, I live near the school. Okay, where does she live? She live near the school. Would you like to come to my house? Okay, Ria, I'd like that. Thank you. And Mashuk says, what? Sorry, but I can't. Okay, so that's pretty simple idea, pretty simple discussion. From that we can create some question and hope that you will be able to answer that. Okay, so first of all we will see what some fill in the blanks. Okay, so fill in the blanks with appropriate word. Okay, okay, so first we can say uh, a uh, dash starts the conversation. We can say that. So my dear students, take your pen and paper and start to copy that and try to answer the question. What can we say the second time? Where you from? Okay, number C, what can we say? Kia is from dash. We can also say dash is from Sylhet. Then we can say Kia dash near the school. Okay, so I have written 5 here. We can also try some other more, no problem, but first take this 5. So what is number A? Dash starts the conversation. Who starts the conversation? We can easily find that who? Mashuk starts the conversation. So what can I write? Mashuk. Okay, the answer is Mashuk here. So in the second, what is where dash you from? So that is the sentence, where dash you from. So what can we write? We know that after where we need an auxiliary verb or to complete interrogative sentence. So where are you from? Okay, then Kia is from dash. Okay, that is this information also available in that conversation where Kya? I am from Khulna. I am from Khulna. So what will be the answer? The answer will be here Khulna. Okay, Khulna. So number D. Desh is from Sylhet. Desh is from Sylhet. So who is from Sylhet? Mashuk says I am from Sylhet, and so is Ria. That means Ria is also from Sylhet. So if you answer there in the whenever you will get this sort of question, you will be a little bit fixed or dilemma. What should you do? So you can write Mashuk, that will be correct. If you write Ria, that will be also correct. So you can write Mashuk or Ria. Okay, both are correct. Kya dash near the school. So what is happening with Kya near the school? I live near the school. So what will be the answer? Ria, Kya live. Here written what? Live. But if you write here live, your answer will be wrong. You will have to write lives. Why? Because there was first person, that's why there was no s or es with the verb. But as Kya is third person singular number, you will have to write lives. Okay, Kya lives near the school. So my dear students, now we will check some true false, okay, for you. And what are they? Some true false, okay. Number 2, true false, okay. So let's check and match. The number A, okay, hello Kya, I am Mashuk. So that may be like that. Kya talks first with Mashuk. That may be one. Number B, okay. So what will be that? That is one option, that Kya takes first with Mashuk. So second maybe like that, Mashuk is from Khulna, okay. Number C, what can be taken? There can be taken another one, Ria and Kya are from Sylhet, okay. So we can take another one. What is I'm from Kya lives near the school. We can take some other here. Number E, Ria invites Kya to her home. Then what happened? Ria accept the invitation. FG, Mashuk don't want to go Kya's home. Okay, if we just think there are 7 examples we have sorted out here. Let's check what is their condition. Number A, Kia talks first with Mashuk. So it is true or false? It is false. Why? Because Mashuk says first, Mashuk talks first. So we can write here, if in your examination you will write the full word false or true. Here space congestion, that's why I have written just F. Mashuk is from Khulna. Is it true or false? Dear students, just watch this carefully. I am from Khulna. Kia says I am from Khulna. So Mashuk is not from Khulna. So this is also false. Okay. So number C. Ria and Kia are from Sylhet. Ria and Kia are from Sylhet. So that is also false, because Mashuk says I am from Sylhet and so is Ria. That means Mashuk and Ria are from Sylhet. Okay. Kia lives near the school. So that is, I think Kia says what? I live near the school. So that is true. Okay. Okay. So number E, Ria invites Kia to her home. Is it true or false? Let's check. Ria, where do you live? Kia, I live near the school. Would you like to come to my house? So Kia has done the invitation. Kia has done the invitation. So Ria invites, that is also false. So Ria accepts the invitation. So Ria accepts the invitation, that when Kia invite her, Ria accept this. Yes, that's true. Okay. Then Mashuk don't want to go to Kia's home. Okay. Let's check what Mashuk says. Mashuk says, sorry, but I can't. So that is also true. That is also true. Okay. So dear students, from that scene comprehension we have done today the fill in the blanks and true and false. Okay. So in the next class we will try to learn from that the rest of the part. That means the question and answer, and also the a short composition by following this scene comprehension. Okay. So you can copy the board. I am giving you 1 minute. Okay. And practice that at home. Thank you. I'm an icon, and my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.